Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my new update video of Class Patshala. We solve a interesting math of Bangladesh math Olympiad question. Here given that x plus 1 by x equal to root 2 and find out the value of x to the power 20, x to the power 20, 21 plus 1 by x to the power 20, 21. So we start to solve this problem. Here we given x plus 1 by x equal to root 2. Start we square the both side of this equation. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to root 2 whole square. Here we use a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write according this formula x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x and cancel square and root here x 2 cancel here x and 1 by x. So we can write x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equal to 2 cancel 2 and 2. So we can write x square plus 1 by x square equal to 0. We solving this equation x to the power 4 plus 1 x square equal to 0. Now we can write x to the power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. So x to the power 4 equal to minus 1. Okay, now we use this the find out the value of this. Here is given 2021. So 2021 we can 2020 equal to we can write 4 into 505. Okay, now we can write the x to the power 2021 plus 1 by x to the power 2021. Here we write here we can write that x into x to the power 2020 plus 1 by x into 1 by x to the power 2020. Okay, and we write here x into x to the power 4 into 505, and here we can write the x to the power 20 and 505. Okay, and we use the formula x into x to the power 4 all to the power 505 and 1 by x into 1 by x to the power 4 505. We here use this, we get x into minus 1 all to the power 505 plus 1 by x into 1 by minus 1 all to the power 505. We can write here, we know that 505 is equal to odd number. So odd number minus 1 multiplying we get minus 1. So x into minus 1 plus 1 by x into 1 by minus 1. Now we can write here, we get minus x minus 1 by x. Now we get common minus 1 x plus 1 by x equal to minus 2 into, given that the value x plus 1 by x equal to root 2. So minus 1 into root 2. We can write minus root 2. It is the value of, the x to the power 20, 21 plus 1 by x to the power 20, 21 minus root 2. It is a interesting math on everybody to get such math solving problem. So please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. Okay, thank you.